Thank you very much for joining me. Today I'm going to tell you why you should never put your travel passport in your carry-on bag. Do you have a habit of doing that? Like, yes, I know for ladies, yes, we do have handbags where we can put our passports in there. But for guys, oh, you might think, okay, I don't want to put it inside my pocket. Let me just put it in my carry-on. It may not be a very good idea, and then I will tell you why. Now, when going through airport security, you probably would need to have your passport with you up until you get into the flight. Like, you would need it even up until the boarding gate, and then you get into the flight. Now, it is important that you have your passport, particularly if it's an international, if you're traveling overseas, if you're traveling to a different country, or you just need to identify yourself and you're going to go through border control. You don't want to have your passport in your carry-on bag for the singular reason. Now, imagine that you have your passport with you in your carry-on bag. Maybe you've gone through security and then they've checked you, and then you think, okay, I don't need it anymore. Let me put it in my carry-on bag. And then you get to the boarding gate, just at the foot of the plane. They tell you, oh, your carry-on is too big, you have to check it in. Most airlines would compel you. Like, I've had to, I remember a particular trip I was traveling with my friend, and then I had the airline staff practically dragging my bag with me, like, oh, madam, you're not taking this bag. Oh, we have a full flight. There's no space. We need to create more room in the overhead locker space, and then you cannot actually take your bag. And I wasn't allowed to take that bag on the inside. I was even made. I told them I had a camera, I had a laptop. They told me, madam, remove. They gave me a smaller bag. Like, you know, it was Ethiopian Airlines. They had like this smaller bag, small tote bag. They told me, okay, put your things inside there. And then so I had to, you know, pull my laptop, stuff it inside that bag. I had a camera, just because they didn't let me. I didn't feel good about it. But of course I could not cause a scene. And then I was compelled to actually check in my bag at the boarding gate. Now, yes, you're going to be checking in that bag for free. You know, most times they do it because they envisage that they won't. It's a full flight and you won't have enough space at the overhead luggage space. Now, imagine that you had your travel passport in there. Yes, I know you might be tempted to say, I would remember to pull it, but you can actually forget. Now, if you have your passport in there, it means that your carry-on actually goes into where the check-in bags, and the only time you would get it is after you go through immigration at baggage claim. You would go through immigration border control before you get your bags. Now imagine that you arrive at your destination, you cannot identify yourself. They're like, madam, passport, your passport is inside the carry-on bag that they checked in for you. You realize that you would be unsettled. You would have to rely, you'll be at the mercy of, you know, the airline staff or immigration. Things just would get messy. So that actually made me learn, you know, like, just occurred to me that, look, this must never be the case. Yes, I know with ladies we do have handbags, so we just throw our passport inside the bag, but a lot of people are usually tempted to just put in their maybe for safekeeping, just put their passport in their carry-on bag. It is never a good idea. You might get stranded. But for this singular reason, you should never put your passport in your carry-on bag. Now, have you had, you know, any really messy experience? How did you get out of it? I would like to hear your story. So leave a comment here and then we will chat. Now, don't forget to subscribe if you do like my content, and also hit the like button, you know, just to support me. So thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.